It's National Road Safety Week. I believe our safety is in our hands. Literally. Single drivers on long drives are prone to falling asleep during the circadian low, which occurs between midnight and 6 a.m. and late in the afternoon. Long, monotonous drives add to driver fatigue. So do take frequent breaks when driving long distances. Technology, however, has come a long way. The Scorpio N has driver drowsiness detection, a monitoring mechanism that senses when the driver is falling asleep. The Aeronox system sends a vibration to the steering wheel which alerts the driver. In addition to this, there's an SOS button which, when pressed or in the event of a collision, intimates the With You Hamesha app as well as your emergency contacts with your location. I'm proud to be associated with M&M for going above and beyond and prioritizing passenger safety. Remember, a good night's rest is important not only for you to function well, but also to make you safer on the road. So get a good night's rest before a long drive.